CKA Challenge Question 9, having the weightage of 4%. Use the JSONPath query to retrieve the OS image of all the nodes in the Kubernetes cluster and store it in a file called allnodes OS image 456VB34ji.txt at the root location. The OS images are under the node info section under a status of each node. The question involves using a JSON path query to retrieve the OS image name of all the nodes in the Kubernetes cluster. The retrieved data should be stored in a file name allnodes OS image 45cvb34ji.txt at the root location of the system. The location of the OS image is within the node info section under the status of each node. This means that the query needs to transverse through the status of each node to obtain the OS image. To summarize, the question requires running a JSON path query to extract the OS image of all the nodes in the cluster and save the data in a file located at the root directory of the system. Take on the challenges of solving these questions on your own first. But if you encounter any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solution. Good luck.
Okay, for these questions, we have to use the JSON path query to retrieve the OS image that we can find in the under the status under the node info sections. So let's look into this. So currently kubectl get node. So we have two nodes, one is the master and the other is the worker. So we have to take the both. Okay, so put the output in JSON. So you can see that there is a huge output, and as per the question, we have to look into the status. So if you scroll a little bit, you can find the status here. So under the status, you will find the node info. So this is for one particular node in which we currently have two nodes in the system. Under the status, you can find one node info tag. If you scroll, okay. Node info is here. So under the node info, you have the OS image, and you have to fetch these informations for each of the node. So how we can do it? Let me write a query for the JSON kubectl get node, same as we written previously. Nodes, and we have to do the output using the JSON path, and for this we have to use the single quotes. Under the single quotes, we have to use the curly braces. Okay, under that we have to use the items, because we have to we have many nodes, more than one, so we are going to use the asterisk sign here. Okay, it will look into each of the nodes. If you have 10 nodes, it will look into all the 10 nodes one by one, and under that we have status. Under that we have node info. This is the node info. First we use the status, then node info. After that we will use OS image. Okay, so first to execute this query, go here, and if we click on the command, then we can see that we are getting all the informations of the OS image. So in this way, we have to execute the similar query and write it into the file as mentioned. So this is the file name that I have to choose. Let me copy that file name and put it here. Okay, so we written the OS image name for both the node into a file. Let's get that file. It's all, and you can find that we get all the OS image name for each of the nodes. So in this way, I completed this lab.